Futuristic technologies in construction. Number 1. Pollution fighting buildings, also known as vertical forest. As the name showing, these kind of buildings help to fight against air pollution and save the environment. Key factors are fight against air pollution and save the environment. Bamboo cities. In general, we use bricks, concrete and steel as a construction material. But in bamboo cities, bamboo is the main construction material which is used to construct. We all know that we need a material which compatible to the environment in construction field. So here the bamboo cities. Self-healing concrete. Self-healing concrete is a concrete which heals itself when it comes in contact with air and water. It produces lime on outer layer of concrete. Key factors: cure cracks and reduce maintenance cost. Smart roads. Smart roads are the future of the transportation. In smart roads, sensors help to provide safe and happy journey. It has night vision. Transparent aluminium. Transparent aluminium is a bulletproof new state of matter that is almost as strong as steel. As we can see, it is transparent. We can use in different places for safety purpose also. It has bulletproof capacity. 3D printed house. 3D printed houses are the new futuristic technology which helps to make house in only 24 hours. To make 3D printed house, we need big 3D printer, material and coding for the design of the house. The key points are very less time to construct, no needs of extra labors.